Welcome to our exciting comparison of the Canon EOS R10 and the Canon EOS R50 mirrorless cameras. Today, we'll explore their features, performance, and what real users have to say about them. Let's find out which one might be the perfect fit for your photography needs. Starting with the price, the Canon EOS R10 is available for $1,099, while the EOS R50 is priced at a more budget-friendly $799. Reviewers note that the R50 is a great choice for beginners, making it a popular option for those who want to get into photography without breaking the bank. However, some R10 users highlight its superior build quality and ergonomics, making it worth the extra investment for serious photographers. When it comes to the sensor and processor, both the R10 and R50 feature a 24.2 megapixels APS-C CMOS sensor and the DIGIC-X processor, ensuring high-quality images. Users of the R10 appreciate its excellent autofocus capabilities, especially for automotive photography and wildlife shots. However, R50 users also praise its performance and ease of use, ideal for beginners looking to capture high-quality video. Video capabilities are where the R50 shines, offering 4K uncropped video at 30 FPS, making it a favorite among vloggers and content creators. Users rave about its video quality and lightweight design, perfect for on-the-go filming. In contrast, the R10 captures 4K, but with a crop, which some reviewers find limiting for video work. If you're focused on video, the R50 might be the better choice. Autofocus is crucial for capturing the perfect shot, and here, the R50 boasts dual-pixel CMOS AF2 with 651 AF zones, which has impressed many users who need precision tracking for fast-moving subjects. Conversely, the R10 autofocus is also efficient, but some feel the R50 system provides an edge for dynamic photography and videography. Battery life can be a deal-breaker, and both cameras have received mixed reviews in this area. The R10's battery life is noted to be shorter, which can be a downside for long shooting sessions. Users recommend having extra batteries on hand for both cameras, especially the R50, which also suffers from limited battery longevity. It's a common theme across reviews that both cameras require careful management of battery life during shoots. Overall, reviewers appreciate both the Canon EOS R10 and R50 for different reasons. The R10 is favored for its build quality and autofocus capabilities, making it ideal for serious photographers. Meanwhile, the R50 is celebrated for its affordability and excellent video performance, particularly for beginners. Each camera has its strengths, and it ultimately depends on what you prioritize in a camera. So which camera takes the cake? If you're leaning towards advanced video capabilities and a lightweight design, the Canon EOS R50 might be your best buddy. But if you're after that mechanical shutter and a bit more control, the R10 is your go-to. Remember to like this video, subscribe for more awesome comparisons, and let us know in the comments which product you prefer and why. Don't forget, product links are in the description.